Hi and welcome to episode number 649 with whatsforchild.com. In our previous episode I spoke about fake condensed milk that is flooding the markets around the world. If you missed it, the link is below in the description. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own condensed milk at home using just milk and sugar. Since most recipes call for condensed milk in can measurements, this recipe will make the exact equivalent of a single can of condensed milk. If you need 2 cans, simply double up the recipe and adjust the timings accordingly. The added bonus of making your own condensed milk is that it works out at roughly half the price of store-bought condensed milk. To start, measure out 2 1/4 cups of full cream milk and 2/3 of a cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use any white sugar, however I prefer to use caster sugar as it is highly refined and contains less impurities, resulting in less scum or slag having to be skimmed from the top of the pot. Place a heavy bottom pot over medium heat and pour in the sugar and milk. Stir this until the sugar is dissolved. You'll know when it is dissolved as the bottom of the pot will feel smooth. At this stage, remove the spatula from the pot and wait until the milk comes to a gentle simmer around the edges. Reduce the heat and allow this to simmer gently for 35 to 40 minutes. The exact timing will depend on what pot you use, your stove, and many other variables. During this stage, it is important not to disturb the milk in any way. Stirring or agitating the milk will knock sugar crystals that form on the edges of the pot back into the mixture, and this will result in a grainy condensed milk. When the milk has reduced to half its original volume, use a spoon dipped in a little water to skim off any slag or scum. If the milk coats the spoon and drips from the spoon like pouring cream, the process is complete. Remove the pot from the heat and pour the condensed milk through a sieve to strain out any skin and slag that you may have missed with the spoon. Allow the condensed milk to cool to room temperature before covering and refrigerating. The condensed milk will last for 6 months under refrigeration. As the condensed milk cools, it will thicken dramatically to the consistency of store-bought condensed milk. And there we have it, a silky smooth, creamy condensed milk made right here at home. That's it for today, folks. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.